Hi there, I'm Dave with MPI. Today, I'm going to demonstrate using a Socket Mobile Barcode Scanner with the Lavu point-of-sale software. Here are a few highlights of the Socket Mobile Barcode Scanner. It's wireless, rechargeable, and easy to use. It can speed up your menu item entry by scanning. Lavu gift and loyalty cards with barcodes are compatible for easy issuing and redeeming. Before we head to the app, we'll need to pair the barcode scanner to the iPad. After turning on the Socket Mobile Barcode Scanner, go to the settings on the iPad, tap Bluetooth, and the Socket Mobile Barcode Scanner should appear. Tap the Socket Barcode Scanner to pair with the device. After pairing with the device, you are now ready to scan items into the Lavu system. Simply press the large button on top of the Socket Mobile Barcode Scanner and hold it still over the barcode. Once scanned, the item will show up in the Lavu system. If you want to learn more about scanning barcodes in the Lavu app or are looking to work with a certified Lavu reseller, contact MPI at 1-800-518-5020, email us at sales@mpipos.com, or follow the link at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.